Hey, what's going on? So today I have a very special video for Alex. He's 3.5 years old and he's a super helper on the deck job that I just did. And I did a vacuuming video specifically for him about a year ago, maybe 2 years ago now. And this video is for him. So we are going to be power washing my trailer today. So I've got some deck wash. It's actually house wash stuff. I got flies flying around me. So I got this house wash. I'm gonna put in a pump sprayer, spray it on, and we're gonna scrub it a little bit, not too much, and then we're gonna use the power washer to clean it really good. All right? So to do this today, I'm gonna be using Crud Cutter house wash. This is multi-purpose house wash. This stuff works really good. I use this for decking a lot when I'm restaining a deck. It washes off all the mildew and everything, and it's earth friendly. And it's non-toxic and biodegradable. So I like this because I don't really like putting harsh chemicals on things and getting it into the ground and all that, blah, 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 blah. So earth friendly. When you're using any product like this or anything else, make sure you read the directions and you follow them and wear protective eye gear and whatever you need to do to be safe. All right, so let's fill this up. Now this stuff's kind of nasty, so I've got my big boots on and I'm gonna be wearing safety glasses so I don't get it on my legs. And if you get it on you, just wash it off. So not that you're gonna be doing this, Alex, but anybody else who's watching, just be careful with this stuff. Here we go, pumping it up. All right, here we go, I'm gonna start spraying. Oh, am I gonna make it? I couldn't have planned that better, huh? The exact right amount of liquid. I'm just gonna scrub it a little bit to work it in. And it's very slippery, so you gotta be careful. This is why I'm washing this, because it's so slippery. It was getting dangerous when I was loading and unloading. I'm really amazed at how much this is taking off just with the deck wash and a really light scrubbing. All right, so this says to let it sit for 5 to 10 minutes. All right, if you like this video so far, give it a thumbs up down below and subscribe to the channel. All right, while we're waiting for that, I'm just going to let the air out of this and just be careful because it's gonna spray air. So just hold it away from your face and slowly turn it and it'll release the pressure. And then we can wash any of that. There's not actually any liquid left, but just we're gonna rinse it out, pump it and spray some clean water through it to get all the chemicals out of here. When you're doing that, you want to make sure you take the pressure tip off because you don't want to spray pressure in there and have it spray back in your face. This will just spray plain water right in there like that. This is in real time. All right, now I just gotta spray the clean water out. Cleaning off the little nozzle and everything. All right, now that I've run some clean water through there, I'm just gonna shake this up. And dump that out. And give the whole thing another rinse down. Okay, I think it's time for the fun part. Okay, so I put the tip back on. Now this pressure washer has a soap container. I'm not using any soap in this, but you can put special pressure washer fluid in here, and then there's a different tip that you use. This one is specially designed for the cleaning solution to come out. And then the tip that I have on right now is the 25 degree, and there's also a 40 degree, so it's a wider angle. I like this one. It has a nice tight, see how big this, see how big that is? Let me throw on the 40. Here's the 40. And here's the soap one. It's just water. It's not really pressure. So I'm gonna go back to the smaller one. You wanna be really careful because this comes out at super high speeds. You don't wanna touch it with your hand or your foot or your leg or anything like that. And the last bit of advice is you don't want to get too close to the wood because you'll start to cut the wood. So you wanna stay at least 6 inches away. Don't get closer than that. A foot away, depending on how much pressure you need to make this work. Looks pretty good. All right, so let me know what you think. I think that probably took about a half an hour all in all to do